In today's video, I would be making food. Hi love! Welcome back! So, in today's video, I would be making food. In today's video, we are going to attempt to make rice. Yes, you heard that right. I am a Filipino, I'm a fan of rice, but for us, it's just plain white rice. But today, we are going to step it up a notch. So, I have friends from all around the world and I have decided to create one of their famous rice, which is Jallof Rice. My friend from Nigeria, he gave me the instruction, and without further ado, let's try and make food in this channel. Why not? So here are the ingredients for the Jallof Rice. Of course, we have our long grain rice, cooking oil, salt. We have our minced garlic and onions, chili powder, and we have our chicken nor cubes, and of course water. So on this part, we will be cleaning our rice. We will be parboiling, making sure that all the starch would be out of our rice. And now to cover it with the perfect lid for the pot. Okay. And now we wait until it boils. We would be straining it so all the starchy water would be removed. Now on the same pot, we will be adding our oil and some salt. And once it's hot, then we can put now our minced garlic. And then we will be adding our onions. And then we stir it a bit, wait for it to be golden brown. And now we add our tomato paste. We will be stirring it for a while until the consistency of the paste would be like this. And now we will be adding our chicken nor cube. And of course, stir it. And now we add our chili powder. We then add our water. Yes, mix that well, and now you can taste it. Based on your liking, you can now add more chili powder or maybe the salt just for taste. Now after achieving the taste that you like, we can now add more water. Now we add our rice. And we make sure to cover all the spaces in the pot so it's even. And then we add more water until our ancestors tell us to stop. So after adding enough water in the pot, we will now be covering it and wait for it to boil. And once all the water runs dry, then that's the time you know your jollof rice is ready. And here you guys go! We have created our first jollof rice. You can pair this with fried chicken or fried plantain. Jollof rice made by an Asian lady. Yeah, so this is me trying new things. I hope you enjoy that because I really do. And of course, I have food now. This is me going out of my comfort zone, and of course, I would highly suggest you try it too. It's an easy step. It has simple ingredients that you can find anywhere. So what should I try next? If you have awesome ideas that you would like me to try or you would like to see on this channel, just let me know through the comments down below. And don't forget to share this to your Nigerian friends. Show them how an Asian lady attempted to make jollof rice. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Bye!